had an idea. We had an idea getting coffee, and I'm gonna tell you guys all about it in this video.
Let's do it.
The baby is asleep, and we are looking at fake mustaches on Amazon.
Because I can't grow one.
Can't believe we're doing this.
Are you excited, Snatch?
Are you excited, baby, for our trip? We're all packed and ready. I think the thing that I'm most nervous about is the time change, and I have no clue how he's gonna do, so we'll see how this goes. I literally booked our final rental cars and hotel yesterday. I got the winners' phone numbers. My assistant helped me with that. She got their phone numbers just in case they aren't home. We're gonna surprise my dad because we decided to stop in Florida to visit my parents on the way so they can see my son. We're going. I don't know if any moms can relate, but for us, the hardest part is always getting the baby to nap on the plane. We have to walk around and then he'll finally sleep. And so we have to wait till the plane takes off. So you have to time it perfectly.
What? What is happening right now? Oh my God. What is going on right here?
Special delivery.
You just gotta record and then open the door and then I'll say, greetings, welcome to Color by Felix. I have a present for you. And that's it.
This is what I think the intro should be. I thought about it. You're outside and I'm recording you and you're like, hey guys, I'm in Florida this week because we're going to deliver these paintings to 2 of my followers in person.
It's whatever you think.
It has to be catchy.
What's up, guys? Welcome to Color by Felix. This week I'm in Florida. I have 2 paintings here. I'm gonna be delivering them in person to 2 of my subscribers. One will be in Texas and another in California. Let's go.
Traveling with a baby actually is not as bad as you would think it is. There are a few tips that will help. One of them for this trip that helped us so much is turning on the happy song. It really distracts them and they love it. When they're really small, I would say under 6 months, it's best to get a window seat, but once they get older than 6 months, then you definitely want the aisle because you need to get up and walk around. The last thing I'm gonna say is that people understand that you have a baby and most people are actually way more helpful than you would expect. Just go into it knowing your baby's probably gonna scream at some point. Our baby just had woken up and he was screaming. Understood, and it was all fine and we survived. We woke up in Texas. I was worried how he would sleep in the hotel, but he actually did pretty good. They had a pack and play for us.
Let's get down to business.
Felix, I think, is delusional because usually he's not a morning person. This is how Mama dresses the baby. Put his clothes just on top of his jammies because he didn't want to take the jammies off. We were staying in Deep Ellum, which was about 30 minutes from Frisco where the winner lived. We went to get breakfast and miraculously we were able to put the baby down in the stroller and eat our breakfast. Today's Sunday. We didn't think about that.
Yeah, today's Sunday, but you know, it's gonna be fun.
We're gonna go scope it out, and if it looks sketchy today or if they don't look like they're home, we're gonna try again tomorrow.
I'm ready to go. I'm gonna have the GoPro right here, so hopefully I can catch some close-up shots. And as soon as I reveal myself, come out.
Yeah.
Come out and come closer with the baby.
Someone is playing here while we plan. Me and Sonochek are gonna be in the bushes recording
I'm gonna take
Felix,
this bag.
and we're about to hit the road. Attempt number 1 to deliver the painting.
To make it look more real, I'm gonna get a cardboard box, shipping box. I'm gonna quickly package the painting and we're good to go.
We're here in the neighborhood and I have butterflies. I'm not even like the one talking, but I have butterflies. I'm stressing out.
I'm excited.
I have to
This
pee.
is-
I told Felix maybe not to do the wig because it looks creepy, but he's going all in. We wanted to take advantage of our time, so that's why we decided to go on Sunday, even though it was a little bit sketchy. They didn't answer, and so we decided to explore Deep Ellum. It's a really cool town full of a lot of music and amazing food. It is day 2. We had a very rough morning today with the baby, so we're off to a very late start, and We are having to get to the airport in less than 4 hours, so we have to do this really fast. We're praying that he will be at home and that everything will go smoothly.
Oh, is Greg here?
Yeah.
Hey, Greg. I got a painting delivery for you,
Okay.
and this is Color by Felix.
You came
Yesterday, and I was
Oh my
like, "There's a
gosh.
camera. You guys are probably gonna freak out."
we thought it was our son's
Thought it was one of
friend.
his
Dude, we
friends.
wanted to surprise you guys.
Oh wow.
Oh, that's great.
I was say I thought you were like in Puerto Rico or.
We are. Next stop, actually, we're flying after here is to San Francisco, doing the same thing.
Oh wow.
Oh my
So,
gosh.
holy
that's
cow.
Amazing.
We did it! We finally delivered it.
It
And
worked
it was
out smoothly.
successful. We gotta get to the airport, so we're headed out right now. Our next winter is located in Modesto, California, so we're staying in San Francisco and planning to drive to Modesto. It's an hour and a half away from the city, and we've never been to San Francisco, so I don't really know what to expect. Felix is sleeping. We wanted to give him a couple hours of rest. We are about to head over to get a coffee. These hills are insane. Oh my gosh, I'm like trying not to slip. And I'm thinking we have to come back up this. Something that really surprised me about San Francisco was the insane hills. They were like 90-degree angles. Also, the amazing food. Technically, I'm gluten-free, but I was willing to risk it all for this breakfast sandwich. We had a free day, so we decided to explore.
Even though it's difficult, to travel far like this with a baby, it's fun to see how others live around, to taste the food around here. It's so different. So we're excited.
I just had my third meal of the day.
So much food, it's crazy.
Our favorite part about San Francisco was definitely the food. They had every kind of cuisine and everything was just so fresh. I was also pleasantly surprised with how clean it was and how much nature there was.
This car is literally driving by itself. There's no one in the car.
We have exactly an hour and 45 minutes to get there, and the winner has an appointment at 1. It is 10:45, so we are in a very tight crunch, but Felix thinks we can make it. Let's see if we can.
We're always so
We
close.
can't stop.
Hi, Diana.
Hi there.
Hello, is this Diana?
Yes, it is.
I have a package delivery for you.
Okay.
All right, this is a painting by Color by Felix.
Yes, I've been waiting for that. Oh my God, it's you, isn't it?
That's me.
Oh my
That's me.
I can't believe it.
That's me. I thought I was like worried that this might be too creepy, but yeah, I had to make this, like a little surprise.
We spent the next hour with Diana seeing some of her art and just getting to know her. It was really nice to meet her. We did it! Mission accomplished. We delivered to both subscribers successfully.
Yes, and they're super happy, and we're happy, and it's a sunny day.
And now we can chill and then head home tonight on our flight. Now we're taking a break to change baby's poopy diaper.
I'm so glad she got the painting though. I could tell she was happy, but also just she's a very good person,
We spent our last few hours in Berkeley and went to a little museum nearby. It's time to go home now. Our journey is over. Good night. We were so thankful for this opportunity. It went so much better than we expected. And we're back. Almost like we never left. This experience showed me that traveling with a baby is more than possible. It's actually really fun. I highly suggest getting out with your kids as much as possible. Leave any of your travel tips in the comments.